Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you Vibe, our newest set of WordPress funnel page templates. If you're a course creator, digital product seller, or service provider, and you're seeking a contemporary design for your sales funnel, then the Vibe Funnel Kit was designed especially for you. Each page is methodically designed with a fusion of layered elements and font styles, embodied in a simple yet stylish structure that exudes an effortlessly cool vibe. Ensure your users remain engaged and captivated throughout every stage of your funnel with Vibe's chic and professional aesthetic. And with this modest, contemporary styling, this set will have no problems fitting in with a range of business types and brand styles. The Vibe Funnel Kit is ready for you to make your own so you can unlock the full potential of your funnel with an effective, modern design that truly represents your brand. To download, log into your account at Studiocart.co and click the link to the template library. And if you're not a user yet, find the right pro plan for you at Studiocart.co.